How to sign into PlayStation Network account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can sign in into your PlayStation Network account. For that, open up a web browser and then on the web address bar, type in www.playstation.com/signin. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. Now this is going to direct you to the official web page of PlayStation Network. On this page, go ahead and tap on the sign in button located in the upper right hand side corner. Now it's going to ask you to sign in into your account. So for that, enter in the email address, click on the next button and then type in the password associated with your PlayStation Network account. After that, click on the sign in button once you're done providing the information. If the information seems to be valid enough, then you'll be logged into your account successfully. However, if you're unable to log in, you can tap on trouble signing in, which is right at the bottom. You can update the information and then log in with your newly updated information. In this way, you can sign in into your PlayStation Network. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.